Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to send money overseas from your PayPal account to a foreign bank in 2025, you're in the right place. With the latest updates to PayPal's platform, transferring funds has become even more straightforward and secure. Whether you're paying for international purchases, supporting family abroad, or handling freelance payments, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and the necessary details for the foreign bank, like the account number, SWIFT code, and the recipient's information. This is crucial to avoid any delays or rejections. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, which is usually on the top menu. Here, you'll see your balance and options for transfers. Next, click on Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. You'll be prompted to add a bank account if you haven't already. For a foreign bank, select the option to link an international account. PayPal now supports direct transfers to many countries, but double-check if your destination is covered to avoid extra steps. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the exchange rates and any fees that might apply. PayPal's rates in 2025 are competitive, but fees can vary based on the currency and location. After that, confirm the recipient's details and review everything carefully. Hit the Confirm button, and PayPal will process the transfer. It usually takes 1 to 5 business days for the funds to reach the foreign bank, depending on the countries involved. You'll get email notifications along the way, so stay tuned. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication for added security, especially with international transfers. Also, be aware of any tax implications or limits on your PayPal account. Some countries have restrictions in 2025. There you have it, transferring money from PayPal to a foreign bank account is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.